Hello everyone, wondering which is better, Verizon Mobile Protect or Apple Care? In this video, we will compare both to help you choose the best protection of your device. Let's get started. Verizon Mobile Protect versus Apple Care. Apple Care Plus generally offers a more affordable option, especially with its lower monthly fees and upfront payment options. However, it does not cover theft or loss unless you opt for the more expensive plan. On the other hand, Verizon Mobile Protect provides broader coverage that include theft and loss but at a higher overall cost. However, Verizon provides unlimited front and back glass replacement at $0, whereas in Apple, you have to pay replacement cost separately for from and back screen replacement. Your choice will depend on whether you prioritize comprehensive protection against loss and theft or prefer a more budget friendly option focused on accidental damage. Verizon Mobile Protect coverage. Comprehensive protection covers loss, theft, accidental damage, and mechanical breakdowns. Unlimited claims. Users can file unlimited claims for accidental damage with a $0 deductible for cracked screen repairs. Pro on the go offers same day delivery and setup for replacement devices in select locations. Tech support includes access to tech support through the Tech Coach app and additional security features like digital secure and call filter. Apple Care Plus coverage, accidental damage protection provides unlimited incidents of accidental damage protection, but each incident incur a service fee, example $29 for screen damage. Theft and loss option available with Apple Care Plus with a theft and loss which includes coverage for up to 2 incidents of theft or loss per year subject to a deductible. Battery service covers battery replacement if the battery retains less than 80% of its original capacity. Express replacement service facilitates quick replacement shipping for damaged devices. Overall table comparison. Feature or plan monthly cost Verizon Mobile Protect $17, most devices $14 budget. Apple Care Plus $7.49 to $13.49 varies by device. Yearly cost $204, most devices $168 budget. $149 to $269. Accidental damage protection, yes, unlimited claims in Verizon Mobile Protect. Yes, unlimited claims fees apply in Apple Care Plus. Theft or loss coverage, yes, in Verizon Mobile Protect, yes, up to 2 incidents per year in Apple Care Plus. Deductible for accidental damage $0 for cracked screens, $29 screen or $99 other damages. Theft or loss deductible not applicable, $149 applicable on Apple Care Plus. Tech support access 24 by 7 via Tech Coach, 24 by 7 priority access in Apple Care Plus. Replacement service option same day delivery in select areas in Verizon Mobile Protect and express replacement service in Apple Care Plus. Conclusion. In summary, Apple Care Plus is generally more cost effective with lower monthly rates and a straightforward pricing structure, especially for users primarily concerned with accidental damage. However, it lacks comprehensive theft and loss coverage unless you opt for the more expensive theft and loss plan. In contrast, Verizon Mobile Protect offers broader coverage that includes theft and loss protection but at a higher cost. Your choice should depend on your specific needs regarding device protection and your budget preferences.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.